So what is up everybody, and how are you doing today? Well, today I thought let me take you outdoors and take you to this place called Let's Golf, which is in the suburbs of Mumbai. As you know, Mumbai is absolutely stretched out on space. So having this particular spot in the suburbs, basically it was an oasis in the desert. I thought let me just show you this particular golf training facility out here. Alright, so we have two awesome patrons at Let's Golf. Let's hear from them why they have gotten into golf. Hi Anna.
Hi.
So, what got you into golf? Are you really interested in golf?
Yeah.
And are you following the Olympics right now?
Yeah.
Nice. And we have Ahana's dad. So sir, how come a father-daughter duo rather in golf?
So I always wanted to learn it, and I thought at 5 she's the right age to try it out. Thankfully she's not getting bored, she's enjoying it, so we come once a week.
That's great. So how come you heard about Let's Golf?
So we were trying to find out of a place where we could learn golf without, taking a membership to a club or something, because we wouldn't use a golf course. So this just popped up on Google, honestly, and that's how then I just called and found out.
Alright, thank you so much and hope you continue enjoying golf, Ahana.
Thank you.
Alright, so we have another patron over here for Let's Golf, Miss Shweta. So Shweta, how did you end up in golf?
Actually, it started with my husband, and watching him sing and playing got me interested. And I am a little bit free with my son busy and everybody busy in the house, so I can spend at least 3-4 hours on the game.
That's nice. So as they say, any time spent on golf is time spent well.
Yes, absolutely.
Alright, thanks
It's an
Shweta.
addiction now.
Of course, thanks Shweta.
Thanks.
So we have a father-son duo at Let's Golf. Arav, how old are you? 100 years old. So we have 9-year-old Arav. So Arav, how come you ended up in golf? I hear you love to play cricket. Because of dad, you come to golf. So dad loves golf. So Rahul,
Yeah,
how come you ended up in golf?
I was too old for other sports, so I thought I will try this sport.
Nice. Golf, they say, is a game for every age.
Yes.
So how did you know about Let's Golf?
Let's Golf, I got a reference from a friend of mine.
Okay.
He told me to come and contact Sachin.
That's nice. All right, thanks guys. Enjoy your time at the range. So that was our time today at Let's Golf. Hope you guys enjoyed meeting everyone out here. And in case you're in Mumbai, you can make your way to Celebration Golf Club. I'll put the contact details in the description. You all can get in touch with Let's Golf. See you guys.